Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I hope you'll be okay, you'll be safe. Today, let us discuss the remaining 2 pointers, the remaining 2 characteristics of a good business plan. Dear students, you know that a business plan, it must serve an entrepreneur for short-term plans, short-term goals, and the long-term goals. If the short-term and the long-term, both types of goals are not to be served by a business plan, then we say that it is not a good business plan, or it is not a good project report. So a good project report needs to be served for a long and a short period. So the characteristics that we have discussed, they were 8 in total. Now we are going to discuss the 9th characteristic of a good business plan. It is bottom line understanding. Dear students, you know that the officials, the manager, the entrepreneur who is at a higher level, he must be clear while preparing a project report or a business plan to this middle level, and at the same time he must be clear to the lower level. So when the entrepreneur prepares a plan, prepares a project report, he must make the things clear to the bottom line, and to the bottom line it includes the middle line and the lower level, middle level and the lower level workers. So project report needs to be clear in nature so that everyone can understand it and the things will be clear to everyone. So this is the 9th characteristic of a good business plan, that is bottom line understanding. Although the plan or the project report, it would be clear to the higher level, but that is not enough. That does not suffice our need. That will not be helpful to achieve the target or the goal. But one important thing is here, that it must be clear to the bottom line workers, to the bottom line these activists. Otherwise, it is not a very good plan. You know that the orders come, although the orders come from the higher level, but if the things are not clear to the lower level, although it would be clear to the higher level, but the lower level needs to be clarity, because they have to implement it. They have to implement it, and it must be clear to them that what we are going to implement and how we are going to implement, when we are going to implement, and what are the goals that we are going to achieve from our implementation, from practicing these business plan. What are our achievements? How would it help us to achieve our goals? So this is one of the important characteristics of a good business plan or a project report, that it must be understood by the bottom line workers, but by the bottom level activists और द बॉटम लाइन एक्टिविस्ट्स, यानी ये जो है निचली सतह के वर्कर जो हैं, निचली सतह जो है, ये बिजनेस प्लान, अच्छा बिजनेस प्लान वही है जो वो समझ सकें, जो उनके जहन में बिल्कुल क्लियर हो. अगर उनमें क्लियरिटी न हो, अगर वो गलत फहमी का शिकार हो जाए, तो नेचुरली क्या होगा कि हमारा बिजनेस प्लान जो है वो फेल हो जाएगा. हमारा प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट जो है वो हमारे मकासद के हुसूल के लिए हमें किसी भी तरह से हमारे लिए फायदेमंद न होगा. तो लास्ट ये जो है हमारा पॉइंट जो है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक जो है एक बिजनेस प्लान के लिए, वह है कि प्लान दैट कैप्चर्स एंटरप्रेन्योर. यानी एंटरप्रेन्योर जो है वो उसको थाम के रखे, वो उसको पकड़ के रखे, वो उसको पाबंद रखे. कभी ऐसा न हो कि हमारा एंटरप्रेन्योर जो है, जिसने ये बिजनेस यूनिट खोला है, जो बिजनेस यूनिट को चला रहा है, कभी ऐसा होगा कि बिजनेस प्लान जो है उसने बनाया है और खुद अपने आप को उससे आजाद किया है, अपने आप को उससे अलग रखा है, یعنی اس کو امپلیمنٹ جو ہے امپلیمنٹ کی ذمہ داری جو ہے وہ اسی کے سر ہے. اگر اس نے کسی لحاظ سے اس کو تھام کے نہیں رکھا, اگر وہ اس کے اپنے آپ کو آزاد کر کے رکھا, تو اس وجہ سے آرڈر جو ہیں ہائر لیول سے نچلی لیول تک پوری طرح سے نہیں آ سکتے ہیں. تو ہماری مڈل لیول جو ہے, ہمارے باٹم لیول ورکر جو ہیں, وہ اس کو امپلیمنٹ نہیں کر پائیں گے. یعنی ہم یوں بھی کہتے ہیں کہ فوج موجود ہے لیکن جو کمانڈنگ آفیسر جو ہیں وہ موجود نہیں ہیں. اس لیے کمانڈر جو ہیں اوپری سطح سے جو آرڈر جو آ رہے ہیں, وہ آرڈر دینے والے جو ہیں, ذمہ دار جو ہیں, وہ اس کے ساتھ پابندی سے رہیں. ایسا نہیں کہ وہ اپنے آپ کو آزاد کریں. وہ رسی جو ہے, حکومت کی رسی جو ہے, آرڈرز کی رسی جو ہے, اس کو ڈیلی کر دیں, خود آزاد ہو جائیں, خود چلے جائیں, اور یہ پلان جو ہے اس کی امپلیمنٹیشن خود ہو جائے. ایسا ممکن نہیں ہے. پلان ایسا ہو کہ جو انٹرپرینئر کو, جو کہ مینیجر کو, جو کہ یونٹ کے مالک کو پکڑ کے رکھے. تو یہ جو پوائنٹس ہیں, دیز آر the 10 points I discussed before you. These are the very important points that are to be reviewed, that are to be implemented, that are to be mentioned while preparing a business plan. If all these points are not to be followed, we say it is not a very good business plan, and the expectations from this business plan will not be high. It is not expected that our business can stand long. It is not expected that entrepreneur will be successful. So the success of the entrepreneur, it depends upon a good business plan. The success of an entrepreneur to stand for a long time, to achieve its goals, it depends upon a good business plan or a good project report. I think you have to go through your books, and I already told you that this is the fourth chapter of your entrepreneurship, that is a formulation of a project report. So you have to go through this and you will know all the things. The things are not difficult, but things become difficult if you are not interested to go through your books, if you are not interested to go through the lectures. So if you want to pass your exam, you have to go through all these things. You have to note down all these 10 characteristics of a good business plan, of a good project report, and then you can write down this question in your final exam. So this is enough for the day. I think you would have got it, and it would be clear to you that what are the different characteristics that are needed for a good business plan or for a good project report. So thanks for the day.